Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if not, thanks for joining me again today. I'm Rebecca, and today I wanted to share with you a number of items that I have available for purchase on Amazon. If you're familiar with my channel and you know the topics that I like to go over, we do some recipes and in the kitchen, food preservation, gardening, home decor, and organization. So here today I'll share with you a couple of different products that I created for home canning and gardening. So I have a home canning planner and journal as well as a garden planner and journal. So both of these will come as a printed product, and you can use these when planning out and keeping track of your home canning as well as gardening. So for the home canning planner and journal, I have an 8.5 by 11 as well as 6 by 9 inch booklet. If you want a more compact planner and journal, then the 6 by 9 might be nice for you. If you wanted a large print and a little bit larger space to write in, then you can certainly do the 8.5 by 11. So both of these booklets have some ideas for home canning and things that just get you started, and some planner sheets. And then we have the monthly schedule and to-do lists, goals, as well as shopping lists. And that'll help you stay organized each month for whatever your food preservation plans are for that time frame. Then we have a food preservation inventory where we have spaces for a canning inventory, frozen, dehydrated, as well as equipment and supply inventory. It's important to keep track of what you preserved, when you preserved it, and how many things you have left, as well as the equipment and supplies, so that then you'll be ready for your next food preservation project. Then I also have a home canning journal. So you can go over each season of what you canned, what worked, what didn't work, maybe some of your favorite recipes from that season, and then you can keep notes so you can continue to progress in your food preservation recipes. And here are some canning recipe blanks. You can fill in some of your favorites and keep them on hand in this booklet. So again, that's 8.5 by 11, and there's a 6 by 9. So for the garden planner and journal, we have a smaller version with a 6 by 9, and then the 8.5 by 11 is just a little bit larger. So if you need a larger font to read or just more space to write in, you can get the larger size booklet for that. So again, we have some recommended supplies and equipment, things to get you started. And then we have grids for planning out your garden, as well as some blank pages if you prefer more of a freehand. And then you can check out each month, write down your goals, things you need to do, maybe seeds you need to buy or plants you need to get started. And this will help keep you organized for your gardening projects throughout the year. And so once you have your garden and you have a harvest, then you can keep track of what you preserve from the harvest. So we have a harvest canning inventory, freezing, freeze drying, and dehydrating. It's good to keep track of, again, what you preserved and what's left of it. And then once you have some favorite canning recipes or food preservation recipes, you can include them in these blanks. Now we have a garden journal here where each season you can write down what you planted, the seeds you used, and from where maybe the soil amendments or supports you used for various plants, and what worked, what didn't work, what things you want to try different next year. And you can keep track of this in your seasonal garden journal. And there's a section for notes at the end as well. So there's an 8 by 10 inch and a 6 by 9 inch. Both of these come in color, which is what I have here. And I also did a black and white version in both sizes, the 6 by 9 and 8 by 10, for both of these journal and planners. So if you enjoy food preservation, home canning, or gardening, these might be handy to help you stay organized and plan your time ahead for the various projects that you're going to be doing. And if you know someone who enjoys canning or gardening, these might make nice gifts for them as well. So be sure to check these out on Amazon by the Home and Homestead for the home canning and garden planner and journals. Well, if you'd like more inspiration on home canning, food preservation, and garden projects, you can check out my playlist on the topics. And if you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. If you enjoy this or any other videos that you happen to check out, please be sure to give them a thumbs up. Well, I hope you're having a wonderful day. See you next time. Take care.